Ooh. She's getting her makeup on.
Kisses. Aw, she's mad at me.
She loves. Don't you love her? She's not mad at you.
Lena, she's
Ooh,
looking
you
at
look
you.
beautiful.
Look at you. She's trying to grab your phone.
Ooh, you look nice, Mom. Yeah, when she saw me, Ma,
She starts
give me a
smiling.
smile. Smile. Nice. A nicer smile. Nice, a bigger smile. Come on.
She's
Get a
like,
little
I know what
smile
you're trying
up
to do,
there.
Nadine.
Huh?
She's like, I know what you're trying to do.
She
You're
looks
trying to
good.
get
That
me
lipstick looks good on her.
Trying to keep me
Sexy
alive.
lady. Huh? You sexy
Oh,
lady.
there she goes. You got a boyfriend? Hey, Ma. You got a boyfriend? You got a nice boyfriend?
You got a boyfriend, Lena?
He's going to take you dancing.
I need to get a new tank. You guys gonna go
Oh, my
out?
gosh. She looks beautiful. I mean, she looks beautiful.
She does. She looks good today.
See, I did her hair last night. I set her hair as much as I can.
I know. I was thinking.
Oh, my
Oh
gosh.
God,
She
I don't
looks
know how to
gorgeous.
comb it out the rollers.
I mean, she just looked, that lipstick looks good on her. And that, you know what it is? You
Her
look good,
purple.
Ma, you look good in purple.
her purple.
Yeah, she looks really good. Oh my gosh, she looks good. Very beautiful.
Hey,
Bella facce.
The beauty.
Eh,
detox
bella facce,
solution.
ma. What do you say? Say thank you very much.
She's like, okay, whatever.
Thank you for the compliment.
Excuse me, ladies.
This is my little sweetheart. Oh, she's so cute. Ariel, just like the,
With me and
the
Lena.
yeah. And there's Ella.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's another sweetheart.
Quick.
Oh yeah, too
Was
good.
she good?
Oh wait, you know what? I got
We're
you
on
on video.
video.
You're on video.
Oh,
But hold, no, hold on.
picture.
Hold on a second. Let me put it on camera. I want to get a picture of you two. Okay. All right.
Here.
Ready?
Hold on. I gotta switch it over.
Lena.
Oh wait, I got.